एक्चुअली वो ऋत्विक भी नहीं है, शिवानी लोग भी का भी अभी एग्जाम चालू हुआ है, तो वो लोग अभी नहीं रहेंगे एक्चुअली 1 वीक। तो अभी जो भी हैं सिर्फ हम ही लोग रहेंगे। तो ओके, सो अप टू
सर
एस्टरडे,
अतुल ने ज्वाइन कर लिया।
या ही इज अवेलेबल। Okay. Regarding interview, we will discuss in the last. How was that? Means, meanwhile, many person will join who are still not. So, up to yesterday, what we had discussed? Anyone can explain in brief? Just can anyone explain briefly? What are the topics we had covered in CSS, not in HTML, in CSS? No one.
What is CSS and the color, background color, plus
Okay.
Type of selectors and how to use selector, and at a time how many selector we can use, what are the impacts of selector, and how many ways we can give a style to HTML files.
Correct. So means regarding how we can provide style with the any tag. Correct. So like that, we had gone one by one. So still we had studied only some few CSS part, as like background color. Then which one next? Background color. Next style which we had studied.
Color.
Color. Okay. Next.
Sir, border margin no. Border.
Border. Okay. So that those things. Okay. Not an issue. So now I have to add this CSS day3.css file. This one. Okay. So now tell me how we can add that one in our HTML. I will rename that and I did day 3.
Okay, firstly we have to go to HTML section and
Just one second.
In heading.
Yeah, here.
In heading section we'll write
which
link tag. Link tag.
Link tag we will pass. After that href
and href will day 3 CSS.
Okay, so now whatever changes we will do in day 3 CSS, it will reflect here. So today our topic is regarding the background. Okay, regarding background color, image, position, different things. So we will go one by one. So first, background color. How we going to add this style actually? Can anyone explain? This is our HTML. Okay. How we passing background color? Any idea? No idea. For that, first we will write some HTML. Correct. So I going to pass some p tag inside some text. Okay. Some text I passed. Now tell me how I will add CSS background color on this paragraph.
Okay, so opening paragraph, we are going to write style.
No, I want external.
Okay, and then
okay, let me go one by one. Abhishek, now I want to add a CSS class with external CSS. With this paragraph tag, I want to make a background color. I want to add background color. Tell me how to. Okay, otherwise tell here itself how we will write it. What is the name of this CSS if we be writing with tag? Abhishek, what is the name? What?
Inline tag, sir.
Correct. No, not inline tag. That is inline style. Inline style. Okay, that's not tag actually. Okay, so how we will write that?
Using a style.
Okay, fine. Let's say style.
Next, curly bracket.
Regarding background color.
Background color.
Background color. Pass anything. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Now save. we got some color. But now I want to move this color. Okay, let it to be here, not an issue. So now everyone know that how we can add background color. Now I want background color in the full body. Now Atul, tell me how to add this background color in full body section, not this particular text, particular tag. How to add and where we will pass.
सर फुल बॉडी सेक्शन तो सर बॉडी के
Yeah.
उस पे ही कर देंगे सर ना टैग.
English please.
ओके. So
Yeah.
sir, put the like external CSS के through, otherwise inline CSS.
Okay,
and body
we will
tag.
do one thing. We will do one thing. For now, we will write all our CSS in this itself, means internal inline itself. Okay. After that, we will move all our inline CSS to the external. Then we will learn how we moving that. Okay. So for right now, we will do all our CSS in inline. And after completing of all the sections, we will move in external. Okay. So regarding background color of the body, where we will write that.
We can write that body in body.
Okay,
tag.
means inside body, correct?
Yes.
So how we will start?
Sir, style.
Okay, fine. So we will write a style attribute. After
Style
that,
equal to background color.
background color. Okay, fine. Go any color. Fine.
Red, yellow, otherwise, yeah.
Yeah. Now what happened? We got a color in our background. Now see, previously what we had done, we had added color with our tag, particular tag. Okay, but now I had added color in our complete body section. Body section in the sense where we will pass that with the body tag, means body section itself, body tag. So Roshan and Praful, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt. So just
Good.
you have to keep in mind regarding background color. Whenever you will get chance how to add background color, you will go with the tag, means a style background hyphen color. That one is the thing. Okay. Next, if you want to add image in the background, okay, just go with this body section itself. Now tell Praful how we will add background image.
Body inside the image tag.
Okay, means after background dash color yellow, semicolon is there. After that we can start.
Yes,
Or
sir.
after double quote. Where
Yes.
baby? Where you want to write? After
Uh,
double
Semicolon,
quote.
sir.
After semicolon.
So
Okay,
after
So-
semicolon.
Okay. So what a tag we will write? Means a style property.
Image tag.
No.
No, background image tag.
Correct.
Background image, sir.
So when you want, see, go with the naming convention. You will get many things. See, what? Just 1 second. Suppose you have to pass color in the background. What attribute is there? Means what starting initial value? Background. Correct. You want color, so color is there. What you want? Image. Where? In the background. What is there? Background and then image. Okay. You not want to repeat. Which image? Background image. So background is there, then repeat. Then you want something in the background, attachment. Background is there, then attachment. Then background is there, then position. Are you getting something from this one complete? Means
Yes, sir.
these all will be applicable where? In the background section.
Background.
Correct. So whenever
Yes, sir.
you required something in the background, like image, color, position, these all we will get one by one. Means whenever you want, means there is a requirement of something in the background, you will go with background hyphen color image like this way. Okay. So we will go now with the background image. So how to
Image.
add background image? Now in the body section,
Like-
after semicolon, here we will write, correct? So write that. One thing, when you will write this, maybe you getting this suggestion or not. Previously, we had installed one extension regarding HTML. Okay, maybe I don't know regarding CSS that is working for you or not, which extension we had installed. So what you can do, you can install one CSS extensions if it is not available in your. Okay, so you can search here CSS. You will get here multiple extension. Okay. Already I have like this one and this also. HTML, CSS support. This already installed because now uninstall symbol is coming. And one is this one, IntelliSense for CSS, class name in HTML. This also, this will help you in that one. So you can just search here CSS. Okay. And after that, you will get some extension you can install. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Then you will get intelligence there. So it will be helpful while writing. But for right now, just try to write each thing by yourself. But just try to learn. Okay. So background image, what I will do? Background hyphen image. Yeah. Now you have to pass that URL. Okay. Means which image you want. Now I will show you that here example. Just 1 second. Color, we already know that different color is there. Okay. Already we had. Okay. Let it to be opacity. I will come that one. Background image. Okay. In the case of background image, see, when you was using image tag, what you are doing actually? In the case of a image tag, what you was taking, how you was taking? Can anyone explain that tag? IMG tag? Complete IMG tag? Okay,
IMG
IMG.
source.
Okay, okay, source.
And
So,
SRC.
yeah, SRC, that is source.
Yes,
So
sir.
main thing was there SRC. Who was it taking the location, file location? Correct? File path,
Yes.
image path. But the same thing here we can't do. Means if you thinking as like yellow, I had passed background hyphen color yellow, it will work. It not. Here you have to pass something like URL. Okay, like this way. And inside URL, you have to pass now the file location. File location in the sense dot slash, then again dot slash, then you will get some image. Okay, now I pass this one. See, it's worked. Got this or not?
Yes,
What
sir.
I had done previously, we had passed with IMG tag that SRC attribute was there. What is known as means that SRC, what is stands for? It stands for attribute, correct?
Yes. Yes.
What attribute is doing?
Additional
What?
reference.
Yeah, correct. So it giving you additional information. Attribute will give you whenever in interview anybody asking regarding attribute, you can tell that it providing additional information. So here what we are doing, background hyphen image. In the case of background hyphen image, we are passing URL, not SRC. Okay, let's do one thing. What we will do, in place of URL, we will remove this and pass just URL. Let's verify whether the same thing is working or be getting error. I don't know what it will happen. Okay, so what I will do, I will pass SRC. We'll get, I mean, is any suggestions are coming when we are writing SRC? Anything? No, it's giving wrong completely different things. Okay, do one thing. Directly pass those means that path, file path itself. And let's verify whether that also will work or not. Okay, I don't know whether that will work or not, but just verify. What is this? IMG, then again slash, then again, okay, 3 and save. What happened? Image gone. Here it was working or not?
It's not working.
It's not working. Means what happened? Means we
Default.
can't give this complete image path without URL. Okay. As like in SRC, we was passing directly the file location, but here we can't. So how we was passing that? Can anyone please?
With the after we'll write a URL.
URL, and inside URL we have to pass that. And one thing you have to take care, don't give here same single quote or double quote anything. Okay, let's
Because
verify.
in bracket we won't give any.
Yeah, okay, let's verify with the help of like this whether it will work or not. I not control. Okay, this also worked. Okay, now verify without. Now verify this also work. Means you can pass with a single quote or double quote, that also, and without also. It's not the matter. because it become a string, but here it's working. That's not problem. Any issue in background image?
No issue.
Clear?
Yes.
Abhishek, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay. What about Praful?
Clear, sir.
Atul?
Clear.
Clear. Okay. Atul,
Sir,
clear?
Sir, in HTML we will use SRC.
Yeah, means when we passing just img tag. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that time we will use src.
Yeah.
Okay. But when you passing background hyphen image, this tag, this attribute. So that case
Yes, sir.
we will not write src. We will write their URL.
URL in
And
the bracket.
yeah, and in the case of URL, with URL, you will pass the file location, image location.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But in the img tag, we will pass what? src.
URL.
Question.
SRC.
Yeah. Okay. Do one thing. Let's verify that also. Let's take img and pass src. What it will do? Just see. img and take this baby.gif. Now see what it doing. We got this image. Okay. And we got the background image, that one. Got this? Okay. Can anyone
sir.
tell why we are getting this image as a circle?
Because in previous CSS, any sheet you have to border radius you have to
Means,
give.
yeah,
Border
means
radius.
in any CSS, maybe yesterday CSS or somewhere, we had passed some a style with img tag. Okay. Let's verify. Is anything?
Border
If
radius.
this all are commented, see, this border radius is 50%. So let's say comment this. Now see, then you got that. Now what is the demerit when you using any CSS with tag? If you will apply any CSS with tag, it will affect whatever you getting. Okay. So don't use what the approach. Oh my God. So never we will take any tag, okay, with the help of what? We will never apply any style with tag. Always we will prepare with ID and class. Okay. Because in that scenario, it will affect particular ID and class only. That's why. Atul, is it clear? Any doubt up to this?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So, okay, let's make this Eclipse. Oh my God, what happened? Comment. So this way we can apply background color and background image. Two things we studied. Now move to third one. Third one thing was there. Wait. Yeah, one is opacity. What means opacity? Actually, let's say comment this section. Can anyone explain what is opacity?
Right.
Sir, okay, Roshan, explain it.
Yeah. Roshan. Roshan, carry on.
No idea, sir.
No idea. Vodafone. Okay.
Sir.
Praful.
No idea, sir.
Oh. Okay. Amardeep.
So the darkness of any object, that transparency level.
Yeah, transparency level we can tell. Now see that suppose that in many websites you will see that on the top whatever text is written, something will be light color. Okay. And something will be means like you can take white type. Now see the transparency of this is more, means backside whatever is image is there, it not visible on this layer. Okay. For this complete section, you are getting only red. Correct. What I will do, I will pass opacity. Where we will passing that one, be passing with a style itself. A style, and suppose if you have to now Roshan or Praful, anyone, if I have to add another style, where we will pass? After semicolon or double quote? Where we will pass?
After
this
semicolon.
correct. So like a grouping. Okay. So we will pass one opacity. Opacity and value of opacity. Let's verify from 100. Previously, what we were doing for the size case, we was passing like 100 pixel px percentage vw vh, correct? But in case of opacity, it is not like that. We will pass, suppose, just try with a 5, okay, and save. Let's see what happened. Anything? Not done anything. Let's verify with 2. Save. Anything? Nothing. Let's verify with 1. Anything? Nothing. Now what you will do? Go down. Okay, less than 1. What is the value? Less than 1. What will be value? Anyone? Approach.
Zero.
What? Okay, 0. More than 1 and 0 means between of 0 and 1. Approach.
Minus
Tell
one.
me. Approach -1 between 0 and 1. Tell me one value between 0 and 1.
0.5.
Between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 0.5.
0.5.
So 0.9.
Okay, let's go one by one. I will go first 0.5 and save. What you get? Had you got something?
Yes, sir.
Background image becomes something means visible from the top.
Totally, sir. Yes.
Okay, now go 0.9. Somebody had told. What you observe? Darkness get more. Okay, now I will start from 0.1. Okay, 0.1, and let's verify on the UI. What happened? Completely gone. It's just minor. Okay, now increase 0.2. Control S. Something came. Means background image is visible, but when you increasing 0.1, 2, 3 like this, and it going towards 1, the background value, whatever background image or whatever things are there, it going to be hidden, but the top values means top things are coming light. Means that is opacity, visibility. You can tell visibility. Now that simple example. Now that time winter season is going. Morning time you can visible that outside fog. Okay.
Yes.
You can tell that now visibility is very low. And in the pollution, they are telling that visibility, like this type of word they are using. Okay. So the same thing. I think somebody who is on unmute. Samir, I think you check your mic. Okay, so visibility means what? Transparency. We can tell the word transparency. How much this is transparent? Okay, so it is going to increase or decrease a transparency level. So now go with 0.5. Now see, this much came. Now what I will do? I will remove this background color. No, don't remove. Later we will use that. Okay, I want one thing. The text color I want in the white. Tell me how to. Approach, tell how to make text color white.
No idea.
No idea. Man, what you doing from the starting itself? We are studying background color and color, these two property from the starting. Okay, approach. Okay, Roshan or Praful.
Sir,
I have to make a background means the color which is written in the white color.
color tag can be used.
Color. Okay. And what about which one?
White.
You can, yeah, white, anything, just take.
Anything.
Now it becomes something visual. Now make this white. Make this white. Now what I want, remove this red color first and make this yellow. No, background image is also that. Okay, go with green. Now what I want to make this white color, green color to be hidden. Transparency of green color is low, but the transparency of image will be more. How I can? Now what are you getting? Green color is dark, means not completely, but somewhat. Can I decrease this value? 0.5. Go with 2. Now see what is the effect. Had you observed something? Getting everyone?
Yes.
So this is the use of what? Opacity. Suppose you have to write some content in the bottom. Do one thing. Write some content H2. Okay. And in H2, I going to write WEL cell. Welcome to my school. Okay. I had written this thing. Welcome to my school. But now this is black. Now tell me, so you can, it is visible, it is clearly visible to users because you are going to make any website for the user perspective. So tell me how you will make this properly visible. Go one by one style. First approach, you have to tell one thing. How you will make, what you can do. Is it look good? Welcome to my school. Is it looking good or not? First tell this.
Not, sir.
Not? Okay. So how you, means what are the changes you want in this one? So it will be good. What is the demerit? Tell demerit.
This one, sir, looking up front of images, sir.
Okay, that's okay, fine. So means text is there and some background image is there. So what is the demerit with text? Are you able to read the text due to this type of color?
Not fully, sir. We can,
Not fully?
yes, sir.
Yeah, means not fully. So what you will make, then it will be visual. What type of color will be suitable? Tell me.
White, sir, maybe.
White, okay. So tell me how we can make that white color.
Color.
Okay, how we will write color?
COL. You right?
No. Okay, if you want, if I will write COLOR, will it work?
White, let's see.
It will work.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then what we will do?
First of you take a style. Style equals
Means,
to color.
yeah. First I have to take a style.
Style, yes.
Approach. You have to get the point. You have to please practice.
That's
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Correct.
first we have to pass a style. After that we will pass a color. Okay. And which color you want? You want white color.
Right.
Okay. And now save. Now it's fine or not?
Yes.
It is visible properly.
Fine, sir.
But now I want that background image should not look that much. Means I want somewhat transparent. I want to decrease the transparency. That's it. How we can? Anyone?
Sir,
Anyone?
opacity revolution 0.5.
Okay, means you telling me to add opacity. That's fine. Where
Yes,
we will
yes,
add
yes.
opacity? See, value is not the
After
matter.
the
Value we
after
will
semicolon.
already. It means after semicolon.
Yes.
Okay, which semicolon you telling? This one.
Yes, yes. No, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, let's verify. 0.5. Let's see. What happened? Is it working?
Yeah, it's working.
But which one? For image or for text?
For text.
But I want for image.
can we use opacity in a background image?
Yeah, that I asking how to do that, because
So image.
due to this opacity of text got increase or decrease, means that going to affect. But I not want that one. I want for the image. How we will? Means
Sir,
Body,
inside
body.
body tag can use background image to after semicolon opacity.
correct.
Just cut here and paste in body
We
section.
will go in the body section where we had applied the background image. Let's verify. I don't know whether it will work or not, but let's verify. Opacity we had passed 0.5. What happened? It had not taken effect. 0.2.
Yes, sir.
I don't know
Yes.
whether for which it's taking.
But it's affecting whole body, like text also and background also.
Yeah, that it doing 9. Let's verify. Oh, okay. See, it affecting, but it affecting for the full body itself. So we can pass a separate and then we can move for that particular image also. Okay.
Yes.
Means my scenario, my case was for the full body, how we can manage. So we can manage in this way. Means I was trying to ask regarding the position. So everybody told it means they are in the image. So it's fine.
So we can
Okay.
do one thing, sir. In background, line number 24, in background image also we can give opacity, and text means H1 also we can give the opacity.
Oh, means you're telling for separate, means both separate.
Yes, because
Huh. Yeah, means if he suppose if there is requirement for opacity on our text, welcome to my school, suppose that, then we will pass there.
okay.
Got that? And if we want on the image, we will pass there. So now we understand how to apply and where to apply and how it will affect.
Yeah,
Correct?
understood.
Yeah. So as per requirement, we will move that. But up to this, I want clear. Anyone have any issue regarding opacity?
No, sir.
Approach clear? So
This
one thing,
clear.
what? Opacity is clear or not?
This one clear, sir.
Okay. So means with the help of opacity, we are increasing and decreasing what? Transparency. Correct. So maybe in interview time, someone is asking also that what will be value of opacity. So value of opacity will be what? From where to where? Any idea?
0 to
0 to 1.
Yeah,
0.
0 to 1. That is the value of opacity. Now, background image, we understand that how we will pass. So approach, you had came late. So I telling one more time regarding background. If you want to add anything in the background, you have to pass a first background. And if you want, suppose color where? In the background itself. So you can pass a
Background.
background hyphen color. Whatever color you want, you can pass there. Okay. Next, if you
Okay.
want to add some background image, okay, so you can pass a background image, but here background image you can't pass a file location with src or directly. You have to pass that with url. Okay, like this way. Now, and opacity already be discussed. So what I will do, I will pass that background color, background image with this paragraph text. Okay, and let's pass here. What happened? Oh, double quote. Where that image gone? Oh, that is a tree image. Okay, that's visual, but it's very low because that section only it came. Okay. Background color. Okay. Opacity also. Okay. Fine. So what we will do now? We will go with another. due to that image it coming. Okay. So next, so up to this clear, correct? Now, in the after that, if suppose that when you will use image, so many case you will get that image is repeating. Okay. So for that, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So many case, what will happen? Image is going to repeat. So for in the case of repeat, you have to stop that repetition. Okay. What you will do? See, by default, one time go through the theory. CSS background repeat by default, the background image property repeat the image both horizontal and vertically. Okay, but some image should be repeat only horizontal or vertical, or they will look strange, look like this. Okay, so suppose if we taking any small image, I don't know where we can. Okay, take this. Yeah. Okay, do one thing now. First, we will move all our CSS to our external CSS. Now, guide me how we will move. Approach. You have idea how we will move this all CSS to our external CSS. You have
Yes,
idea?
sir.
Now, these all
Sir.
CSS, whatever we had added, I want to move it with external. How we can?
I'm not prepared. Yes, sir.
Okay.
No.
Praful or Roshan,
Yes, sir.
how we will move these all CSS in external?
Sir, day 3 CSS page can
Okay.
be open and
Okay, go one by one. For H2, tell me how we will move this H2. Okay.
yes,
For this H2, I want to move a CSS from here to there. Tell me how we will.
copy to style.
Okay. Means just I will go here cut. Okay.
Hmm.
No issue. Now
Now
pasted.
style can be
This is required here or not?
no, sir, because
No.
first is
We will.
H1, S2
Yeah.
are
So this I will remove. Next,
first
we have to pass some class or ID or a tag, anything, correct?
anything.
Yeah. So now tell me, give me any like a class or ID, which one we will take?
Class S2
Class.
element be pass element can be passed, but class be okay.
Yeah. See, now the demerit when we passing that H2 tag, because it will affect to all H2 tag. Correct or
Okay,
not?
correct, sir.
So we will pass only
Class
our class. Why not ID?
ID S2 anything can be right.
No,
There are
ID, but we will never pass a style with ID. The main reason, Atul, can you tell why we not using CSS with ID? We can pass, but we never trying to that. Atul, can you? Your voice is not coming if you were speaking then. Okay, maybe he have network issue. Atul, if you are speaking, then you are on mute. Okay, Roshan, can we pass CSS with ID? Roshan, unmute yourself and jump in the field. Yeah, Abhishek. Okay, Abhishek had jumped. Yeah, Abhishek, carry on.
Yeah, sir. We can
Can
use.
we can use. Okay, correct. But we are trying with ID or not? Means that is a good practice or not?
Not a good practice, sir.
Why?
Because sir, ID affected uh, s- a single
Okay. Yeah, correct. Carry on.
and class affected like 4H2 are affected all H2.
Okay, but means you are on the track, but see, what is the reason? Reason is that ID should be unique for each element.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. Yeah, a
Means
class with multiple.
yeah, but class name can be multiple. Means same class name can be passed to all tag, but same ID name we can't pass to all. That is the main difference.
Yes.
Pradeep, is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will never try to go with CSS with a class ID. We will always try to go with a class. Okay. So what I will do, I will go with a class here, and we will pass some text name, class name. So what is this? Welcome to my school. Okay. So suppose that this is a school head, a school heading. Okay. And let's say move this one. Is this a naming convention correct? If not, then tell me the correct.
Yeah, it's not correct
Capital
because we have to follow camel case. Otherwise, we'll write in underscore. In
Yeah.
bit.
So but where we will make change and
Yeah,
what?
instead of a small h, we can write capital H.
Capital H. Correct. Had everybody got? Anyone have any issue?
Yes, sir.
Approach, had you got? When the naming convention we are writing, if name is very lengthy and if there are multiple text, okay. So in that case, we will pass each text separate. We are separating each text by capital letter. That is the situation. Like a school heading. So a school is one text, heading is another text. Suppose a school heading name. Then like that way we can pass. So I think nobody have any doubt in this one. So let's see whether it's working fine or not. Verify. We had moved our CSS. So it working fine. Let's do one thing. Remove this one and then verify whether it's working fine or not. So see, now black color came. Now pass that. Now see, it's working fine. Okay. Now, Roshan, tell me
Yes, sir.
regarding this step. Tell me regarding paragraph. This one. Yeah. Now tell. First. We'll pass here class
Class
name.
equals to, sir.
Correct.
Yes, class
Class
name.
equal to. Okay.
Is
Just go
to
like a
anything.
P. Yeah. P head something.
Head.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's save and verify here. Then class name. That is class name. So
Dot.
dot. Correct.
Dot.
P
Yes.
head.
Head.
Then this one. Then where is the error? Tell me how to remove.
We can remove the style.
Style नहीं चाहिए sir. No style.
This one not required. We will
No,
remove.
sir.
Remove. Okay. Then what about last?
We'll
Double
remove
quote.
the
Double quotation.
Now no error. Now save and verify. Fine. Now do one thing. I don't know whether this is correct or not. Do one thing. Remove this class. Cut this and save. Now see. Black color came. Now paste and now verify. It's fine. It's working from here. Now where is the pending? This one is pending. Body. Now who will tell? Vivekanand. Tell me. Yeah, Vivekanand. Tell me here one class name first. Hello. Atul, Vivekanand, Abhishek. Anyone from these three? Tell regarding one class name of here and how we will pass.
H1.
H1.
But H1
First
is
we will write class, correct?
yes, sir.
Class name, like suppose just write
Body
body.
section.
Okay.
Body
Body SECTION section. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
now 1 second. BODY. Yeah. Now save and go to a style here. Now see, due to body, the color gone finish. Now pass our, what was that? BOD by capital CTION. And Abhishek,
dot.
you have to, yeah, who
For
told this dot?
body, sir, dot.
Yeah, that I was asking
Motion,
question.
sir.
Okay. You'll find out. Okay. Now Abhishek, you have to tell where is the wrong, which is wrong actually.
But we will
Style
also
is not
use a heading.
style not required, sir.
Style not required.
It's that, sir, because they give error.
Yeah.
Quotation is not required.
Double quote is required. Not required.
Sir,
This last double quote not required.
sir, can you ask this question? Why style is throwing error over here?
Yeah, because we already passed everything linked. This one.
Yes. Yes.
This already referring that a style sheet, some style sheet, and how it referring with the help of .css file. Okay, because what is the need of writing a style? This a style. We are telling HTML that some style, this is a part of some style. Correct or not? So
Correct.
already when we going with external CSS, we already telling in the link. Okay, that this is some style page. How? With the help of like a relationship is there, and one thing with a link itself, because with a link you can add only and only CSS file, not JavaScript file. For adding JavaScript file, you know which tag it will use. Atul, can you tell which tag, with the help of which tag we can add JavaScript, external JavaScript? Atul, where he is? He trying to speak or not?
Using
But
sir
it's not
JS,
active.
.js.
No, I telling that as like external CSS be adding with a link. This one.
Yes, sir. We can you
But
add in body head section, sir.
head section we will add. But by which tag we will add that? That I asking. By
Link.
which tag? No, that is a script.
Link.
No, that is a script, and with the help of a script, we have to add that. Okay. Now see.
Okay.
Script SRC. And in the SRC, we will pass our script JS file. So when we will see that JavaScript, how we will add JavaScript, that time we will learn. So with the help of that tag, it getting that is link, that is CSS. Okay. So up to opacity, no issue. Now come to next. What is that? Yeah, background repeat. Okay, let me add one file here. What I can do? Okay. First remove this CSS, body section CSS. Okay, do one thing. Take this and pass here background image in the body, and I will go with another one, baby.gif, and let's see. Now see what happened. It gone repeated. Correct or not?
Yes, in 4 section.
Yeah, according to actually I was trying to show, when you have like a small image. Wait, I will take some small image. Otherwise, do one thing. We will pass a hair itself, height and width. Vivekanand, can we pass a image size and width in a style or not?
Image.
Just 1 second.
Vivekanand.
Yes.
Yes. Can we apply?
Vivekanand, can we apply CSS
Yes.
height and width in with image?
Yes. Can we apply CSS?
1 second. Let me repeat. Can we apply height and width of image with CSS or not?
Yes.
Then in interview, they had asked, then why you told that it will be possible only we will write with the image tag only, height and width. Had he asked in interview this question to you?
No.
Regarding height and width?
No,
See,
he didn't ask like this question.
I don't know, maybe with someone they had asked.
No, he asked. No, he asked about me target and what the use of target tag.
Yeah, okay. So in the image, they have by default one property that height and width will be applicable there itself directly. But if we want it outside, we can do that. So now this image going to repeat. Okay. If you will reduce this image, then you will see one thing. It will go on more and more time. Okay. So let's do one thing. I don't know where it be. Okay. In the bodies. Okay. Let's verify here itself. Other is semicolon gone. 1 second. Let me add one image here. Image tag, I think I had written somewhere. Yeah, this image tag. Yeah. No, this not. Okay. Button is so. Just to see. Why this got hang? So this image is repeating this much time. Okay. So now you, how you will stop that repetition of the image? See, next tag, background repeat equal to no repeat. Okay. So when you will use this tag background repeat equal to no repeat, we can stop the repeating of the image. What we will do? We will pass here background repeat equal to no repeat, and let's see what it will do. It gonna stop that repetition. It came only one time. Got this? So it gone to a stop. Now if you want, like I want the image in the full screen, that is different thing, but it will stop the repetition. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So next tag.
Sir, I have a
Yeah.
question. Sir,
Yeah.
I want to repeat image 8 times.
8 times. Then you have to decrease the image size. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you will if you will decrease the image size, it will repeat according to that.
Okay, sir.
Means whatever a space is there, it will occupy automatic.
Automatic fit.
Yeah, it will automatic fit in your screen.
Okay, sir.
So if you requirement like that, you can reduce height and width, then you can do. I don't know whether it will work here by reducing that or not. Let's see. HEIGO, 1 second. Height, take 200 pixel. Okay. And width, take width also 200 pixel. And no repeat, take false. Now save and verify. What happened? That 200 not got affected. This is actually coming on the background section. So maybe that 200 is not working due to that. But when we will pass this on the IMG tag, then it have to pass. 1 second. Okay. So due means according to that image, automatic it will get fit. So don't worry that. Next, or background position. Yeah. So now you want the image somewhere particularly. Let me take some image. 1 second. This image also I had taken, I think.
Already taken, sir.
I don't know in which file this one was also, I think. PQRST image. That is hanging actually my system due to this image. Yeah. How many time you had asked, Abhishek?
Sir,
At
8
time
times.
How many time it came? 1, 2, 3,
12
4,
times.
16
5.
time.
Had you got now? According to means image size, it will automatic occupy that. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
that is the thing. And now you want to stop. How you will do? Take
No
this.
repeat.
No repeat. It will only one time. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the thing. Now let's me comment this height and width. Yeah, no issue. That is same. Okay. So next, what you will do? Next thing is background position. So what it will do actually? In the case of position, suppose now by default our image is on which side?
Left top.
Left
Top.
top. I want in the right top. Right top. Right top. Let's see. Came. Now I want my image to be in the bottom, but this side. Tell me which direction I will use.
Right bottom.
Sir, right bottom.
Right bottom.
Bottom.
Go with that. It came. Where it gone? It
Sir,
gone on top.
in center.
1 second. Is some spelling mistake? BOTTOM. No. Right bottom. It not. Okay. Left. I don't know how much value it have actually. Left bottom. No. Oh, I think then it have only two value, whether right or left. Okay, go with the bottom. What it will do? Let's see. It going in the center. Means it giving different value. Let's see here in documentation. So right top, it was working fine. Okay. CSS background attachment. So I think that it have two position only. What is this? The background position property used to specify the position of the background image in the top right corner. Okay. Otherwise, we can verify that different whether what are the scenario by inspect, and we can check what are the values it will give. Let's go with laptop screen, and how we can do that? Any idea? Where is the image? In the body section. This is the image. Now add. Yeah. What was that? Background. KGR background and position. Now see bottom. Okay, center this came, then inherit this one, left this one. Okay, revert this one, right this one, top this already, and set. Okay, so by this type we can pass different position. No need to like right and top. If you will giving top, then also it's going, but always it will not work in that way. Okay. So next, clear regarding position, what it will do? It will move our image. Correct. Any issue?
No
Hello?
issue, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay.
No issue.
When you will verify, you will get different things. Next, background attachment. Okay, what it will do? The background attachment property specify whether the background image should scroll or fixed. A scroll or fixed means what? When you will get, now there is no any content. Okay, just wait. I will RIGHT, right. Save first. It came in the right. Okay, no need to pass their top. It will work directly also. Now, what was that? Okay, so suppose here only one content. What I will do, I will pass more content. Okay, so we will get some scroll. Now, too well. Okay, now copy and paste. Now see, we got a scroll position. Wait, I will give something more. See, we got a scrollable area. Okay, getting this or not? In the corner side, this one slider is there for scrolling. Okay, what we want? See, when we are scrolling, the image is also moving up or down. Okay, according to text movement, it also moving, but we not want that one. We want whether fix or scroll. So there are two property for that. Which one? Background attachment. Okay, is the property. Now pass that value. Background attachment, background attachment. What? Let me go with fixed first, and now see what it going to do. So background fix. We had refresh the page. Now move. What happened? Is our image moving? Getting or not? Now, hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now due to fixed background attachment fixed, what happened? We are moving our text because a scroll bar we had got because due to more content. Okay, but when we moving up and down, our image is fixed here direct. It's not going to move. Correct. But when you will take in place of fix, if you want different value like fixed scroll. Okay, let's check with a scroll what it will do. What it going to do? See, the image is also scrolling along with the text. Okay, so that is the thing, that is difference. So that's why by default, which one was that actually? By default value of background attachment, previously it was scrolling or it was fixed regarding image?
Sir, scrolling.
Scrolling. Okay, so with the help of fixed we can, so no need to use a scroll because by default the value is this one. Okay, so next, I think one more property. Yeah, this completed. So in this case, what we had discussed regarding the different property of which one? Background. How we can change the color, how we can pass that value. Okay, how we can pass image. Now one thing, these all are separate thing. But if suppose we have to write short term means one single line statement. How we will write that? See. Now see what we had written. What is first one? Go with this one, first one, and start speaking. What is first one? First one is our image URL. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, first one is our image URL. So here see, first one is the color. Okay, and after that, second is the image URL. Here we will pass our image. What was that image? Dot slash dot slash then img then tree camera. Okay. Next, what is that? No repeat. No repeat in the sense what? Background repeat. Correct. This is short form. These all. This line is the short notation. Okay, so what it doing? First, it had taken background color. Okay, second is the image. Third, regarding the repeat, it taking no repeat. And what is what fourth? Fourth is the right top, that is position. Okay, and next, if you want, you can pass that value. Which value? $6 scroll, that one.
Sir, no need to write
Yes.
miss comma, sir, no?
1 second, just no need to write comma because this is shorthand notation. That is the name. Means a shortcut of all. Shorthand notation. Okay, and now see, we had commented this all. Okay, and now this one is the working. This one is the working, and now verify the result whether we are getting the same result or not. Now see, first one, color is something. Let's remove this color and go with some different color. Color came. Okay, what about second? Second is the image. We already passed the image. Image is visual. Next, what about no repeat? No repeat in the sense this going to repetition. Do one thing. Remove this no repeat. What happened? Repeated. So with the help of no repeat, we had to stop the repeat. What about this right? Right top. It going to fix our image in the right top. That side. Now see, a scrollable is there. Now fix that. How to fix? Pass here. I don't know whether it will also taking that one or not. I think it have to take. Yeah, it's fixed. So this is our shorthand notation. In interview, they are asking this type of questions. How you will pass a background complete property in one single line? How you will pass? By this way. Okay, what we had done? Okay, let's verify one thing. If we will change the position, first is like image URL, background color, then no repeat. If we will change position, then also it will work or not. Okay, so just verify by changing URL first. Let's say remove this and go in the last. And let's verify. I don't know, it have to work, I think. So see, it had work. And what about it's working fine or not? See, a scroll is also working fine. Image is on the right top. Then background color is there. So everything is perfectly. So anyone have any doubt? Tell me in the background case. Anyone want to do any experiment? Tell me. Anyone issue?
Sir.
Hello. Yeah.
So at a time we can use two images in the background, and one is on the left and one is on the right.
Oh, you want to make something different? I don't know. Let's verify. How we can do? We can pass here that two image. I'm not thinking that will work. You can do one thing. You can pass one more image. Okay. Do one thing. Here we will pass one thing one more time. Okay. And take this. But for that, okay, let's first go this, remove this background color. I not want this one. Then in the case of URL, okay, take this, but take some different URL here. We can go with techtree.jpg, no repeat, okay. But what about remove top, remove, fix this also, because we want in the left side. Let's verify. It came, but what about right side image? You know, Amardeep, what happened? What happened?
Override.
Yeah, that it had overridden that. Yeah, for another thing you can do, you can pass this image with another tag and you can override, means you can work. Let's verify that. But one thing, we had passed this image in the body tag. Correct or not?
Yes.
So it anyway it will override. For that you can pass particular div and both things, then you can go. Got this?
Okay, yeah, got it.
Means we can pass separate div and we can perform that one. then I think then it will work. That's sure. Because now the position for this image and this color, everything is in the body section. When we will move with any div, then position will be different. So it's not an issue. Okay. Any others? Anyone have any issue? I will give 1 minute. If you have any
No, sir.
issue, tell me.
Sir.
No issue. No issue. Okay. Atul, any issue? Afroz? Afroz, any issue?
Sir.
Yeah.
So in 5 minutes, what you have what you have taught now, in 5 minutes, ask everybody one question. Then it will get clear.
Okay. Okay. Go one by one. Abhishek, what is this one?
Yes,
What
sir.
happened due to this? What happened due to this? Yellow?
Yes, sir. Yeah, background color.
Correct. Afroz, what is this one? Please unmute fast. Otherwise, it wasting our time itself. I have no issue. Course will go up to 9 months in
URL
place of
link.
6. Yeah, what is this one?
URL links.
Roshan.
Yes.
Wait, I will ask some other question to you. That's okay. That's fine. URL link means background image. Background dash image link. Okay. Afroz, are you there? No, he is not. Okay. Atul, what is this no repeat? Afroz, sorry, Atul. Your voice is not. Atul, you can speak. What is this one? No repeat? Okay, I think maybe some noise means some issue. Praful, what is this no repeat?
Image are not image. Can no
What?
repeat.
Yeah, means it going to stop the repetition of image.
Repetition.
Okay.
Yes.
The property name is background hyphen repeat.
Yes.
This one. Okay. Samir, what about this top? What about this top?
Sir, image is seated on the top, sir.
Yeah, means position. Correct.
Yes, sir, position.
So, okay. Amardeep, what about this fixed?
Sir, when we will scroll the body part, the image will not scroll with the body parts.
Okay, due to fixed it. Correct. It will fix that. Okay, so I think now in the background body and those property it clear. Now we will move in the another one, that is CSS border. Already we know that what is the CSS border. Already we had discussed in HTML, but then also we will go somewhat in this one. And one more thing, in this background section, many things are still there, like background dash clip, background dash origin, then repeat already discussed background dash size. You can go one by one, these all, but these are not much more important. Which was important we discuss. Okay, so you can go one time on W3 school, you will get these all, you can practice that what it going to do. But basic not only basic, up to advanced we had covered whatever things was there. So, okay, now for the border, already we know that how to write border. Praful, tell me how to write border. We know that.
Right.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, I going to write one H2 tag. Okay, and lorem and 15. Okay. Now tell me how we'll make one border for this one H2. How we will refer this to class? Means with a style, how we will add?
Class.
Okay, fine. First we will go with class. Okay. What?
And class name.
Okay, class name I taking border border head. Okay, then
CSS
remove
page can.
this. Yeah, up on now we will link this on CSS, correct?
Yes.
So how will link?
Dot
Yeah, okay.
class.
Dot
Dot head
sorry.
border.
Yeah, head, and then we
Border.
will go with a border. Now tell me, wait 1 second. Abhishek is there?
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, tell me the border, how to write a border one.
Sir, using a style.
Why we will write a style here? Already we are
No, sir.
inside it. Yeah.
No, sir. No.
What was tag?
Sir,
Okay. Tag baje?
the border.
BORD. See, in CSS, in HTML, in JavaScript, everywhere, naming convention itself will help you in identify what it will do. Okay, you have to use your mind. That's it. In HTML, if you have to make border, which tag you are using, means which CSS property, border property. If you have to add an image, where in background, what are you using?
Image,
Background hyphen
image.
image. Background means if you have to make a color in the background, background hyphen color.
Background color.
So just try to remember the name itself and try to match that. That's it. You will get that complete idea. Now border, what we will do?
Sir, 1px.
Okay, 1px. Next.
Dotted.
Okay, dotted. Okay, next. What will be next? Roshan? Okay, I will do one thing. I will save and verify what we are getting. We are getting anything or not, or everything. See, it came something. Correct? In the dawn. Getting or not?
5 pixels, sir, then it will show.
Okay, let increase that. 5 pixel. We got something in the bottom?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me. Okay, wait. I will do one thing. I will remove this from here. I will pass top. I don't know why my system getting hang. Now see where my style is. My style is in the top, this one. Okay, this border. Now due to what is pending and due to what that color is something. In last we was passing color. Correct or not?
Due to that side.
Yeah. So last one was color. Now go one by one. What it doing? One time go with the documentation. Had he written something? Border, order, CSS border bit. Yeah. See what we are passing. We are passing first this 5 pixel. This is width. Okay. See just border 5 pixel. Let's increase this 5 pixel and go 25 pixel. Let's save. We got like this. Okay. Next dotted. This is which type of border you want. Okay. I want different. Previously we know that solid. Every time we are taking this solid border, we will get this way. But when we taking different border, GR double OV group, we getting this border. And next last is color. So what are the different types of border? You will get all list here. Okay. See P dotted dash solid double groove ride inset offset. These all things here. Okay. So you can try one time like this. It's not the issue. Whenever you required, you can check W3 school or any site. You will get that all the types of border. But just go means just you have idea like how we are using and what are the types. So 1 or 2, that's fine, not an issue. So in case of border, no need to go extra. That's much. That was very much too much that. Next, already we know that how we will add a border with. Okay, we are working from HTML itself. This one. Now, now see, I will show one thing. Now what is happening, you know, this complete all side border is coming 25 pixel. Okay. Now I will do one thing. I will pass here 2 pixel and you have to verify which border got affected. Where border gone? Okay, 1 second. Wait 1 second. What wrong I done? I think with that itself we can pass. Order. Dash left. Short notation. Oh, we can't pass short notation one time. Okay. Okay. So in the shortcut, what we had get X. Now in shortcut, what we had got that one type, this one border. But what I want, I not want that all borders should be grooves type. What is the type of border? Groove, correct? Correct or not? Hello?
Correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Correct.
Yeah. So now our border in all four side is coming this way. But I not want that all side border should be like this. So what we will do, we will pass that border separate. Okay. So for that, in interview, they are asking this thing actually. Okay. So we can go different type. Okay. Like 1 second. Let's comment this one. Otherwise, comment. border dash style. First go with a style and a style we pass. Okay. Border dash and size. Size is there? No. Border dash radius width. Yeah. 2 pixel. Dash radius 2 pixel. 1 second. Border. Okay, this both I have to. Okay, width is there. Now see what happened. What I had passed. I had passed one thing. Border dash style that is solid and border dash width is 5 pixel. Okay, but I not want this and one thing color. Where is the color? So I will pass a border dash a color. Okay, border dash a color like red. Now I got this type of border, but what I want that this not completely four side will be equal type. I want some different type. Do one thing, pass here 25 pixel and let's verify. What do you observe? Had you observed something? In this border case, had you observed something? Okay, you will not
Sir,
get
border
like.
width.
Wait, I changing that value, then you will got. Now tell me, what are you observing from this? Anyone, please?
Sir, border
team.
width will be increased.
Yeah, border width increase. Which side? Means which side border is common? Width is common.
Sir, top and bottom side will be increased.
Yeah, means see, top and border, this one, top and bottom have same, and the left and right have same. I will do one thing. I will remove this 25 here, and I will move this 5 there. Now tell me. Now see, this top and bottom have same width, but the left and right having the same. Correct or not?
No, sir.
Correct.
So,
So what I will do now, okay, let it decrease this. It's not the issue. Yeah. So now I will do one thing. Okay, tell me what values I had taken. First value I had taken 25. Second value I had taken 5 pixel. Correct. Now I will take third value, 2 pixel, and save. And now tell me what happened and which side. Amardeep
and
and Samir. Yeah. Can you?
bottom will be affected. Bottom is affected.
Means now 3 direction value is affected. Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Top have more thickness, left and right have something, but the bottom have something less. Correct. Now you have to realize one more changes. I will take 10 pixel. 10 pixel. It not, yeah, it's showing, but it will not visible for your side. What I will do, 30 pixel. Okay, now bet. Praful and Roshan, tell me what happened and which side. Had you observed something?
Left side.
Left side, sir.
Left side.
Left side.
Side.
Means see how much values I had given. Border dash width. How many time I had given the value? Total?
4 time. 4 time.
4 time. Okay. Means total there are four side.
Yes.
So 4 side means 4 border. Due to that 4 side it got affected. That is the thing. Means when you not passing any side value, means when you passing just only one value, okay, it going to common for all. Let's see. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now when you passing any other value, suppose I had passed 12 pixel. Now you have to realize and you have to tell which side value got affected. Now
Right
tell
side.
me.
Right.
Means see how the direction is moving for the value, means how that
Two
UI
side,
and
sir.
two side got affected. Means
Yes.
it starting always when you passing this value, always it will start from the top. Okay, it will move in the clockwise, top, then right, then left, then this side. Okay, this way it will move. Any issue?
No, sir.
Means wait, I will, anyone have any issue? Then I will explain in the paint, because this is common, because this is most useful. In the padding case also we will get, and margin also we will get the same concept. Once you got here, means it will be clear there also. Now see, we taken this way, this and this way. Okay, when you giving one value, single value, what will happen? Single value means which side?
Top.
Top. Only one value. Border width have just one value, like 25 pixel. Which side it will be? Anyone?
Sir,
Each, all correct. So it will be affected all. Just verify it got the same all side. Means what will happen when you giving one value, this side, this side, this side, and this side, all will got affected. But when you passing two value, let's verify. When you passing two value, are you going with 12 pixel? Don't give 12 pixel. Go somewhat less value. Then you will realize 1 pixel. Which side it will be? Tell me first. Then we will look over output.
Right side.
Two side affected.
So two sides.
Right
Which-
and left.
top
Okay,
or
which-
left? Right.
Top.
Top or right?
So
Okay.
two sides at a time.
Two side at a time, it's fine, correct. But which two side? 25 pixel
Right
which
and
side
left,
and
sir.
1 pixel with. Okay.
Right
So
and
25
So
px is
25
the
pixel will
top.
be the top and bottom, and 1 pixel will be the left and right.
Okay, I am agree with your answer. What about Abhishek? 25
Sir.
which side and 1 which side?
Sir, top side or 1px is right side.
Means top will be 1 pixel.
No, sir.
Or 20.
Top will be 25px.
Okay, okay. And one will be right side.
That will be right side, sir.
And what about left and bottom? There is a discount for those guys, left and bottom.
No, sir. Sir, clear, sir. Sir, when we putting the 22 value,
Yeah.
so we affected all 4 values too also.
Okay.
Left or bottom both affected.
Okay. Yeah.
When
See.
we will give 4 values when affected every px value.
Yeah. See, I will show you here. First, we will look over this, then I will go with output. When you're giving only one value, all 4 will be affected. Is it clear for all? No issue?
sir.
Single value,
Yes, sir.
all side. Then when we going just a 2 value starting from where?
At the top.
Top. Starting will be always top, whether 2, 3, 4, anything. Correct? Which side you have to move? Right side, anti-clock or clockwise? You have to move this way.
Anti-clock.
Sir, clock side. Clock.
This is clock way. So
Clock
you have to
way.
move this way. When you have 2 value, means one value, same value. First one value will be for this one. Second value for this one. Then again first value for this one. Then again second value for this one. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Because you have 2 value. Just see. You have 25 and 1. Correct? So how you will separate this? First it will got 25. Correct? Now 2 will come here. Correct? Then again, which value it will come here? Clockwise, it's rotating. Then again, it will come 25 section. Then again, it will give 2. Clear or not, this one?
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear? Now look over our UI. See, our result and design. Top is 25. Right is 2 or 1, whatever is there. Then again, bottom is 25. Then left is 2 or 1. Correct or not?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Now, come to third one. Now I'm going to increase one more. 1, 2, and I will give 10 pixel. Sorry, not 10. Give 7 pixel. Now tell me which one will be. In case
Button
of
will be affected.
So bottom will be affected.
means you telling bottom only.
No,
Okay.
sir. Sir, top,
Okay.
right,
Top.
and bottom.
Wait, 1 second. Tell me top how much?
So 25.
Okay. Top will be 25. Next, left side.
No, sir.
1
Right side.
pixel.
Okay.
px.
Sorry.
Right,
1
Yeah.
pixel,
Right side 1 pixel.
7 pixel,
bottom 7,
Bottom 7 pixel.
Okay.
then 25 pixel.
then 25.
Correct.
No, sir. Sir, left, why 25? It's 2, na?
2. How you got 2?
1, sir. 1.
1. How?
Sir, when we using 2 values, 25 to affected all. Second, we will use 25 px and 1 px when affected 25 top or 25
Okay.
bottom. To
Correct.
1 px we will use to left or right affected when we will using 7 px. So bottom.
See, Abhishek is telling correct. That is the thing. I will show you output. Just wait. This is not our output. This is old one. I had not saved the file. See, top is 25.
Yes, sir.
Bottom is 7. And this is C.
Yeah.
This is left and right 1, 1. Correct or not?
1, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Because left and right having less value.
No changes.
Yeah, just minor changes. But the 7 having more changes, and that is in the bottom. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the thing. How this is happened, means this one happened. Let's verify. Up to 2 value, everybody have clear, correct?
Yes, yes, no issue.
Okay. Now move in the third value. When you having third value, take this 25 in the top, okay, and this last in the bottom. Do this thing. So take a 25 first value in the top, okay. 25 become top, and which become bottom? Last one, that is 7. Got this? Up to this clear?
Yes,
First value top, last value in the bottom. That's it. Because in every time from where we will start? Top. How we will move? Right side. Okay. Now tell me which is pending value?
1 pixel from right side.
So left or
One.
right?
Yeah, left and right, and value is 1 pixel. Don't do anything. Put one here and put one in the last here. Means left and right. That's it.
If there is 4 values, then what will do, sir?
Yeah, just 1 second. We will come on 4. Up to 3, it's clear. In the case of 3 value, what we had done, we had taken first value and we had passed the first value on the top and last value in the bottom. Means opposite. And this one value we had passed in the left and right. That's it. Now come to the 4 value. Fourth value, I going to pass here. How much we can?
So 23.
5 pixel.
No, go with 15 pixel. At least somewhat difference. Then it will be visible. That is the thing. Okay. Now see. Okay. Now you have to guess first. Then we will go on that result.
If 15 will be affect left side.
Okay. Wait 1 second. Up to 3 value completed or not?
Yes, completed.
Everyone. Roshan, Praful, those side. Up to 3 value.
Sir, fourth, I think, sir, first 26, 25, and
Okay.
bottom 15, and
Okay.
right side 1 and left side 7, I think so.
Okay.
No.
Now,
Can I tell?
now,
Can I tell, sir?
just 1 second, Miss Samir.
First
1
one,
second.
sir, 25. Second one.
Okay. Roshan is telling. Tell me, Roshan. Second will
First
be?
one is 25, sir. First.
Okay.
Top.
First 25. Yeah, top is already
Second
written.
Bottom 15.
Wait, Vivekanand, 1 second. Yeah, Roshan, tell me what is your value?
Second one, sir.
Second one, third,
Third,
7
7.
pixel.
7.
And fourth is a 15.
15 pixel. This is the correct answer.
Vivekanand, had you got? In the case of four value, there nothing have to do. You have to take each value and place in the right side. I mean, say from the top by clockwise.
Got it, Vivekanand?
Praful, had you got it? When you have 4 value, there is 4 side itself. Nothing is there. So you will take one value place directly from the top to right side.
In case of 3, we can also
sir.
go by the clockwise, sir.
Yes.
Okay. The same thing we had done. But see, in the case of 3, okay, let's verify answer. Then we will look over that one more time. 3 value. Now see, what is top value? Top value is 25. Correct or not?
Yes, correct.
What I told, one will be right side, one is 1 pixel right side. Correct. Next
Yes,
is
sir.
7 pixel. 7 pixel you can look over bottom. It is less. Okay. Last is 15 pixel, and 15 pixel you can see right side. Sorry, left side.
Yep.
Got this? Now come to which one? Third value. 3 value. Now I'm going to remove this value. Now tell me, Vivekanand, which one will be 25? What I had told in the case of 3. First value will be in top and last value in the
Button.
Bottom.
last value in the bottom. Put this 2 value. Now you have only 1 value. Take that value in the left and right. That's it. Now do one thing. Now don't put here 1, put here 2. It will be more clear. Now see, 25 in the top. Correct. Now see, 25 in the top and 10 pixel in the bottom. Correct or not? It is
Correct.
more somewhat thicker. But 2 pixel left and right. That's it. When you have 2 value, how it gone? Tell me. Roshan, Praful, tell me how it will go when we have 2 value.
Sir, 25 top and bottom and 2 pixel right and left.
Correct.
Yes.
That's it. Now see, 25 in the top and bottom and the left and right become 2. That's it. So nothing is there. Just, and when you have 4 value, see where it is easy. When you have only one value, okay, it's common. All side will be 12 pixel. Correct or not?
Yes.
When you have 12, 2, okay, 2 value, what it will do? Top,
12
bottom,
will
left,
be
right.
top button, left, right. Yes.
Always they start from the top. Come to 3 value. 12, 3, 2, yeah, 3 value. What it will do?
12 it will be take top, and right will be take 3, and bottom will be take 2.
And left side take with 3.
Means left, right, it will be 3 and 2 will
Yes.
be on the like that. When it become 4 value, it's now it's not
Right.
nothing. Just take all value, place there. That's it. From the top to bottom. Means in clockwise we will move. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Same thing we will get in padding, margin, everything. But now what I want, I not want that this should be like solid. I want each should be different style. Now it is solid. Okay. Now I want somewhat. Now tell me how it taking the value. Had you realized what is the difference?
Same as border here, see, it is taking.
One second, 5 pixel. Yeah. Tell me what is that?
Same as border, clockwise.
Yeah. So whatever we had look over like our border width, how it's taken from the top to bottom and how it's rotating, same thing is applicable here. Nothing is there. Now we had passed only 2 value, pass third value, GROO group. Now, okay, I will not say. Vivekanand, tell me which side will be which one? Which side is solid?
Top.
Okay, Samir.
No, sir,
Okay,
bottom
for
side.
you top, that's okay. Who is
sir.
telling? Roshan. Okay. Tell me which side, which one?
Sir,
Which side
blue
it
will
will
be
be
bottom.
solid? No, solid is there. Which side it will go?
Sir, solid means up, sir.
Okay, solid
Up
up.
top.
Yes, sir.
Next dotted.
Dotted,
Left,
sir, right side.
Left,
and
right.
Right and
Okay.
group,
Left,
group
right.
is, sir, top, down.
Down. Take care whatever you had told your answer. Look over
Yes,
UI.
sir.
What we got?
Yes, sir.
Got same thing or not? As like whatever we had passed in our border width, same thing it will work here also. Now we want something. What is that?
So dashed.
Okay, dash.
Dash.
Yeah. Dash. Now see which side it got affected. See left left side.
Left.
See this side it got affected. Correct. So this
Correct.
way we can pass. Now I not want that all side like red. Go with a different. Which side it got? Got the idea?
The left side.
Right, sir.
Left or right.
Dotted
Both.
Go white. Correct.
Bottom. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bottom.
And BLUE blue. Got that?
Left.
So
Yes.
this is the thing that in case of border, we are moving in this way. If we not want all means all border to be like only one. If I want to modify something, we have to pass in this type. If we want only one, what is the shortcut of border? This one. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Border 25 pixel, groove red. We had pass, but we want different style. We can go with this type. See where you can use this one. Suppose you have to make any photo frame, okay, and you want that in the bottom side some different style, and otherwise in left, right, and bottom 3 direction. You can go like that 3 direction. Correct. So that is the thing, and this is the border. This is shortcut of the border. The top is the shortcut of the border. As like a background case, Whatever we had written in the background shortcut, same way we had written in the case of border. Now tell me, anyone have any issue in this one?
No, sir. No.
Sir,
Also,
in the case of border,
yeah,
he also represent in a pattern of square.
pattern of a square. I can't get which one. Yeah,
matlab,
now
sir, yeah, sir. Border, when we use the border, so
yeah,
he will show in square type.
yeah, correct.
Or sir, yeah, this is I want in a rectangle or circle.
Okay, okay, got it. Means you want to make it different type.
Yes, sir.
Means like hexagonal, polygonal,
Yeah,
like that
yeah,
type.
yes, sir. Yeah.
So not in border case, it will be came in different. But see, if you want to make a hair itself, border radius is there. We will look over that property, border
Yes, sir.
radius. Then we can pass some like a 12% or something was there. So see, it making circle.
Yeah.
Correct. Right, 50%. It came eclipse.
Sir,
Sir, he want to change the shape of the box that.
Yeah, yeah. He telling regarding the
For
shape
that,
itself.
for that there is a style box, like box something is there in CSS.
Okay.
I read yesterday.
Yeah, yeah. It will come. Means
Yeah.
slowly it will come that. How
So
we can
what
create a box.
like cloud box, rectangle,
Yeah.
polygonal, rhombus, circle, everything is there.
Different things we can. Okay, if it is circle, what are you thinking regarding this style? If we had passed different, correct? Then how it will affect? Let's verify. What happened? What my question
yeah,
or
sir.
not?
That I asking. Yeah, sir. Clear, sir. Clear. In
Means
sir, square also we are they affected, and circle
yeah.
also affected.
See, same thing. See, previously we had applied this thing on the rectangular when it was not, means border is not there. It become rectangle. But now when I make the circle, means I going to convert the square in the circular form. That time it becomes some attractive, different color from different section it came. See, this thing coming, okay. Can anyone tell why this much eclipse type shape is coming? What is the reason? After taking 50%, why this shape is coming like this?
Because it is rectangle. The box is in rectangle shape. And
Where
if
we
you
had specified that box is rectangle.
So
Had
is
we
it
specify?
by default?
it's
Not
by
by
default.
default. No. This is coming due to the content. How much length of the content have? See, I reduced the length and
Okay,
I
sir.
now passed only one thing, lorem. See, it gone changed, different. And due to this style, somewhere width is 25 pixels, somewhere something. Due to that, it's coming different.
Sir, it
If you,
adjusting with the text length.
yeah, content means the content. According to content, it will adjust
Okay, sir.
due to that, because that is like a H2 tag is there. If you will take image, then it will adjust the image. Okay, so according to content, height, width. Okay, one thing. Wait. What about the H1? Whether inline or block level? H1
Sir,
or
block
H2?
level.
Top
Block
level
level.
element, sir.
See, that's why this circle occupied the complete space up to this complete up to here. Correct or not? Amardeep, is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Block level element, I had show that background color. In the case of background color, it had occupied the full this area.
Yeah, it will
This
take the full width
yeah,
of the window.
correct. And due to that itself, this coming like this way, in eclipse shape. Wait, I will change this. In place of H2, go with a span. Because a span is the inline. See, now its circle came. Got this difference? Why it was coming eclipse? Any doubt? This one clear or not?
Yeah, clear, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Because previously it was H2 and H2 is coming block level element. Okay, and due to block level, it occupied the full width of the screen. But when I passed inline element, inline means span. Okay, EM tag is there. Okay, let's see what it done. The small circle. Okay, and according to text, it had taken the area. Okay, so this way we can make much more experiment. I don't know this much thing. Okay, so this way we can specify all side different color. So I'm not thinking anyone have any doubt. Okay, so different color value already we know that RGBA and those things. Now see, regarding the border, see already we had covered all the things. Whatever things we had discussed, these all things, that one itself. So we can pass a different type also, like see border dash top dash style. Means we can specify each section which type, which side you want, top, right, bottom, left. Same thing we had practice here in this way. Border width. Yeah, here we had passed directly like 25 pixel, 50 pixel, 30 pixel, like that way. Correct or not? So same thing you can specify separate also. Like border dash top dash style. Which style you want? Dotted, solid, that something. That is the thing. Now nothing is there. Solid shorthand notation already we know that. Border 5 pixel solid red. This already everybody know. Then again, suppose you had passed some color. Here see red color, but you want to override. How you can override? Background color. Oh, not override. Background color. If you want to pass, you can pass directly. Suppose that here is the text. Yeah. Something is written there. I want the background color of this one, something different. How we can? We can pass here. Background color. Which one you can get? Okay. Let's give green. Let's see. It came. Any issue? So this way we can make our UI attractive. Suppose that one image was there in our resume section, and you have to make that image circle. How you can make? With the help of radius property, border dash radius. Correct or not?
Correct, sir, correct.
Correct. Yeah. So with the help of that, we can pass a different. So same thing, border, rounded border. Rounded border means what? This border itself. What we had passed? We had passed 50%. That's why it become this much. I don't want 500. Oh, 500 I passed. Pass 5%. Let's see. The border corner. Now pass 20%. Now see. It coming circular. So this way we can modify our each section. So border radius, we got that. What is this border radius it's doing? So this much we had completed regarding border property and background property, these two things. Any issue up to this? Anyone? If no issue,
Thank you.
no issue?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now we will go with margin. Okay. What is margin and padding? Two things is there. What? Yeah, padding. Okay. So what is margin and what is padding? Let's discuss. If you understand the border, how the values are occupying, then you will get these all things. Now nothing is there. Two things. Don't get confused. Margin and padding. In case of margin, what it will do? It will take the small size. Wait 1 second. I will show you first. Anyone feeling bored? Then tell me, then we can stop.
No, I'm not feeling.
No one feeling bored?
Yes.
No one? Okay. See.
You can give me 10-minute break, sir. There will no issue.
We will stop then.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay,
No,
then just I will cover.
Carry on.
I will cover
carry
our.
on.
Okay, I will cover margin. That's it. Or padding. Just I will explain. See, this is our text. Okay. I taken this. Here you getting something. Okay, something is written there. Margin written there.
Yes, sir.
This is
Border.
border written. This is padding. See, when I moving cursor, do one thing. Don't look over here. Look this UI. Okay, this border section. You will notice something.
Sir,
Now
it will,
my cursor. Yeah,
sir,
my
it will,
cursor is 1 second. My cursor now I moving in the margin. What happened? Anything? Nothing. Okay. Now I moving our cursor in the border. Had he done something? It
Yes,
marked.
sir.
See, it marked there. Now when I moving our cursor after border with inside padding, had he done something? See, it hiding means it reflect means it ignoring that section. When I moved in padding, now come to the inside. What happened? Where it highlighting now?
In text.
In text. Okay, so that is the thing actually. In the case of margin, margin means this boundary outside. Okay, boundary means this border outside, and padding means inside, where content and border inside. Wait, I will go with paint. Let me increase this. Okay, now I taken this one. I taken one this. This is your screen. Okay, laptop screen. This is your laptop screen, and here we had written some text. Now this is your text, or this is your border. This is your border. Now what is happening there? Okay, this border outside, this one. Okay, means 1 second, where is paint? Yeah, this section comes under margin. Why? Means what you getting from here? Area under a screen and after this border. Correct or not? After border and area under a screen means middle one. It comes under which one?
margin.
Screen and border.
Margin.
Okay.
Where it gone? Oh, it's not visual. This is margin. Means which one is margin? After the border. That is margin. Means now come to our UI and tell me where is the margin for our side. This is our boundary. Correct?
Orange to
This is
boundary.
our no
Orange
inside
outside.
not.
Red color. Red color. Sir.
Yeah, means outside of red color is the
Yes, sir.
margin. Okay, so same thing we discuss here. Outside of this border is the margin. But when coming, what about the padding? One thing is padding, and padding is inside this area. Wait. Okay, let me reduce the size. This one is the padding. Means what is the padding? Text area between text and the boundary or border. Okay, area means a space between text and a boundary is the padding, and margin which one? After boundary and before that a screen size. That is margin. See, just to go with your example, simple example. Will in childhood, when we purchasing any new copy, what we by doing? We was lefting some margin or not? For the
Yes.
signature during a school time, we was lefting that.
Yeah,
in the
left
side.
side we are giving the margin.
Yeah, for the signature purpose or those things. That is margin actually. Means from where you was start writing after margin. Whether that okay, suppose that there is no any boundary from top to bottom, but then also you was marking that one line from the top to bottom with pencil. Correct? So that comes under margin section. So whenever there will be need of margin, then this one section will come. Now suppose you want to add margin, go with a real. Just I will explain margin. That's it. If you have to add here margin, Okay, what it will do actually, just see. Let's add margin. Okay, where you want it, left side or right side?
Left
Okay,
side.
if you want it, if you adding margin in the left side, which side it will make a space? Tell me.
Left side.
Means border left side or text left side or boundary inside, where? Okay, I will go one by one. Wait, Roshan, when I making margin left, okay, means I want to make a space, I want to make margin in left side. Which side it will consider for this complete? It will come, it will, okay, it will consider in the left side of this boundary. Do one thing, I will go and I will pass this some value. Let's verify 12 pixel. Now see what it doing. Getting this thing?
Yes, sir.
It making a space where? In the left side. But which left side? Boundary left side. Correct or not? See.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is actually your margin left. Okay. Same thing. We can go with margin right. Which side it will do? This boundary right. But here I don't know. Yeah, here it will do. Margin right 12 pixel. Now see what it will do. It's not going to do anything. You know what is the reason? Reason is that left side you had added margin. Means you are pushing from this side and now you are pulling from this side. Means you are doing push and pull.
It's not
That's why
working,
it's
sir.
not. Yeah, it's not going. That's why. But margin left means this one. Had you got this thing? Margin. We will means we will discuss more. But up to this clear or not?
Yes, clear.
Hello. Clear? Margin means where? A space which side? A space in the left side, not only left side. Now I will show another. Means boundary outside, we can tell. Okay. Boundary, this boundary outside. Okay. Now I will add margin in the top side. Let's move. Margin and top. Go 12 pixel. Now see. Not doing anything. Oh, H1 due to that. Okay. Margin. Okay. Margin bottom 20 pixel. Not doing anything. Okay. It going to restrict. That's why actually. Okay. So margin left. Got this correct? We will discuss more about this margin and padding in the upcoming session tomorrow. Up to this, we're going to stop recording. Oh my God.